voluntaryong isinuko ang mga tagong paggawaan ng baril kasama ang iba't ibang kagamitan sa paggawa ng mga armas sa Danau City, Cebu. Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor, ibalita mo.
Sinuko ang isang tagong paggawaan ng baril sa barangay Manlayag, Danau City, Cebu ang iba't ibang kagamitan na ginagamit sa paggawa ng mga iligal na armas nito lamang nakaraan. Dakong alas 12:20 ng tanghali, nagsagawa ng masusing monitoring at koordinasyon ang 701st Maneuver Company Operating Team sa pangunguna ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Paterno Legal Dumundun Jr., Force Commander ng Army P7, katuwang ang Danau City Police Station. Kabilang sa mga voluntaryong isinukong gamit ang isang electric push drill, 2 manual air compressor, 7 bench vise, isang cross vise, 54 na steel file, 2 revolver pattern, 3 cylinder pattern, at 3 hacksaw, 10 hacksaw blades at 3 manual sander.
Good day everyone. The 701st Maneuver Company, Army P7 under the leadership of our Force Commander, Police Lieutenant Colonel Paterno Dumundun Jr., together with the Danau City Police Station, we visited Barangay Manlayag, Danau City, Cebu, wherein, with the help of the LGU, several items and equipment used in manufacturing illegal firearms were surrendered. This operation was in accordance to the project of our Regional Director, Region 7, Police Brigadier General Federico Maranan, Bakal ng Pagbabago, which advocates the campaign against illegal gun possession and manufacturing. My message to the public is to support the campaign of Philippine National Police in our campaign against loose firearms, to include manufacturing. Most of the crimes reported involving firearms using crimes were unregistered, making investigation a challenge in law enforcement. Let us help our community by voluntarily surrendering loose firearms or reporting cases to the nearest police stations. Let us make our country a safe place to live in. Once again, 701st Maneuver Company, Regional Mobile Force Battalion 7, thank you.
Ang mga nasamsam na kagamitan ay formal na itinurn-over sa mga operatiba para sa wastong dokumentasyon at disposisyon. Patuloy na mga pinatutupad ang mas pinigting na operasyon at community engagement bilang bahagi ng 7-point agenda ni Acting Chief PNP Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Naritates Jr. upang tuluyang masugpo ang iligal na produksyon ng baril at mapanatili ang seguridad ng publiko.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.